Hello again, here Paul from EMD Automotive at Carrington, Sydney. I've got this Porsche 986 here that I'm doing the low tone and high tone horn. There's a lot of confusing. A lot of people buy the horn. This is the original horn, all right. High tone original horn. If you look inside there, let me just put a bit of. It's hard to see, but let me put a bit of mark on it so you know. Because sometimes a lot of people say, what do I need? Because when I buy the horn, it doesn't fit, and the wiring harness doesn't fit to the actual new one I get. So let me show you what I mean. So this is the original horn. It looks like this. If you look at the plug, I put a yellow mark there. 2 pins. See the little mark? See the yellow part there? That's how it looks like, the plug. If you have one of those, if you buy a horn that looks like that one there, which is like that, little cutout on the left next to pin 1, then you got two locks on top and a lock in the middle. That's pretty much it. If you buy a horn, a brand new horn like that, that's going to match your wiring harness from factory like this. See, that's a little notch there. But if you buy a horn from Porsche and it comes looks like this, see how it looks different? The plug completely different. See, the top looks different. See, the top of this one looks different. If you see a horn like that, it looks like that from the top, and you got that big massive housing there for the plug, you need a wiring harness to adapt this new horn to your factory wiring harness. Because if you try to fit it in, look, it does not even fit in. That's what I mean. That's why you need a wiring harness, so you can adapt the new horn, the wiring, to the actual factory wiring. So I'll show you what I mean. So if you have one of those, then you need a wiring harness like this. So this side here will go, sorry about that. So this side here will go on this horn like that. See how it fits straight in like that. And then this side here will fit on this side here like that. See, now, so I only got one hand, trying to make it work. Now you need that wiring harness, which is part number is 996 612 94700. That's a part number. So it's a 996 612 94700. That's the part number for the actual wiring harness that you need to buy to adapt your new horn, if it looks like that, to your car, which is the same as 996 and 997 as well. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.